Now, if you haven't set up your Fiverr account already, you should go ahead and do that immediately after this lecture. And the reason that you should do it straight away, even if you don't know what you're going to sell, is because you'll see that one of the first requirements from becoming a brand new seller to making it towards a level 1 seller is that you need to be 30 days active on Fiverr. Now, that doesn't mean that you need to be actively buying for 30 days or actively selling for 30 days. It just means that your account needs to be created for 30 days. And as I said, moving up through the Fiverr levels is very important because that allows you to get more exposure on Fiverr. They'll promote you more and you can add more gig extras, etc. So the first step in that is really moving from a new seller to a level 1. The first requirement is that you're active for 30 days. So even if you get 10 orders on your first day on Fiverr, you'll still have to wait 30 days to become a level 1 seller. So you should go ahead and set up your Fiverr account now, and that'll allow you to speed up that countdown and become a level 1 seller quicker. So all you have to do to set up your Fiverr account is come across to fiverr.com and press start selling. You can sign up with your Facebook or Gmail or just putting in your email. Now you will have to choose your username at this point, and so that's what I want to talk about and guide you through in the next lecture.